Today's topic is simple linear equations. Firstly, we have to understand what are equations. What are equations? If I write x plus 2, then it is called expression. If I put this expression equals to 6, then it is formed an equation. Here x plus 2 is called expression. When I put x plus 2 equals to 6, then it is called equation. Here x is called variable. 2 and 6 both are called constants. Now if I take an equation 2x plus 3 equals to 10, here we will say 2 is coefficient of x. Here in this equation variable is x, then we will say 2 is the coefficient of x. If we have variable y, then we will say 2 is coefficient of y. Now take this equation again. Here that part is called left hand side and that is called right hand side. Left hand side, right hand side. Let us consider some examples. X plus 9 equals to 12, 4m equals to 20, t upon 2 equals to 11. See, in this equation there is only one variable, that is x. 9 and 12 both are called constants. In another example, here m is a variable, 4 is a coefficient of m and that is called constant. Here t is a variable. All these three equations are called linear equations in one variable, because all that equations have only one variable in it. This equation have only one variable, that is x. In this only m is variable. In this expression, in this equation t is a variable. So it is called linear equation in one variable. Why the word linear is used here? Because the power of all these variables is 1. So it is called linear equation in one variable. Or we can say it is a simple equation or simple linear equation. Now if I write x plus y equals to 9, here you can see in this equation there are two variables, x and y. Their powers are 1. So which type of equation is this? This is a linear equation. Linear because both variables have one power, so that is linear equation. Now we will say this is linear equation in two variables because it has two variables x and y in it. That's it. What we have learned today. Here x plus 2 is called expression. When we put this expression equals to something, then it forms a equation. Here x is called variable, 2 and 6 both are called constants. If we take this example, in it 2 is a coefficient of x. When we change the variable in equation, then we will say 2 is a coefficient of y. Here another example, 2x plus 3 equals to 10. Here that part is called left hand side and that is called right hand side. Now let us take some examples. X plus 9 equals to 12, 4m equals to 20, t upon 2 equals to 11. All three equations are called linear equations in one variable, or they can also called simple linear equations because all that equations have only one variable in them and they all have power 1 in variables. Now here is another example, x plus y equals to 9. That is called linear equation in two variables because in this there are two variables. So it is called linear equation in two variables. That's it.